Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna be unboxing a FabFitFun box. It is just the starter box. You only pay shipping, which is $6.95, but a friend that already has the subscription has to send you a link. Sorry, I'm trying to see how to open this. Has to send you a link, and then you just pay basically for shipping, and it's a starter box. Basically they send you a little bit of products, and so then you decide if you want to stay with it or not. So let's open up. This is how it looks. I've never seen this. I got it right now, so this is how it looks inside. It has this pamphlet inside. I don't want anything to fall out. It's this. It says, "Are we friends yet? FabFitFun." So it's like basically like a little magazine, and it says right here, starter box. Okay, so it's just a little magazine, basically. Like tells you, I guess it tells you about your. I don't know. I don't know. It's my first time, so it's just going. A note from us. At FabFitFun, we're all about bringing the best box. This is why you're super excited for you to experience the starter box. Oh, it tells you right here what products you get. Okay. Does it tell you the price? Okay, so yeah. So this is. It comes with this. An epic. I can't do this. Come on. Oh, the first thing I see is this Adore. It's an Adore by Swarovski. It's an organic circle bracelet. This bracelet features an irregular circle design, a raised gold plated chain, and shining, can't pronounce that word, crystal, and it's $39. Oh, I see the crystal. It's right here. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it's like right there. Wow, this is really pretty. And it's $39. Wow. The next thing I see is a little box, and it's Tarte drink of H2O hydrating boost hydrant. Okay, so this is leave your skin soothed and refreshed with electrolytes packed with hydration, and it's also $39. Let's go ahead and open this. Oh wow. Oh, that is huge. This is a 50 ml, 1.70 fluid ounces. It looks like this. This is the name. This is, oh, okay, I'm surprised. $39. And you only get 4 products? Yeah. So this is Thirsty Hand Mask Duo. Incredible nails, I don't know. These gloves feature a blend of plant extract, sea butter, and vitamin E to instantly smooth and rejuvenate dry hands. Sorry, I cannot talk. So, and this is $16. I don't like these kinds of masks, so I'm probably just gonna give it away. Or, yeah. Anyway, that's $16. Let's see the last thing in here. Oh. It's Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Oh, I can use this on my daughter. So this is a Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This lightweight detangler uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to soften and condition and protect hair against heat. This one's $23. So I don't really use much heat in my hair. I usually straighten it, but not as much right now. So shape well. I can use this on my daughter. I wonder if I can use this on my daughter. She has really curly hair. Okay, so that is it. That's all that was in here. This is FabFitFun starter box. And I like it, but I don't know if I'm gonna stick with it because it's $50. It's $50. It's basically a seasonal box every 3 months. You know, like summer, spring, winter, and fall. I don't know how I feel about $50. But oh look, it gives you different. I guess you can customize it. I don't know. I'll let you guys know in the future if I keep it or not, but I just wanted to try the starter box, but it's actually pretty good. But let me know down if you guys have it, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. What do you guys think of the products? I love the bracelet. It's pretty expensive. I'm probably going to give it away too. I don't know. Hey, I just noticed it has a little A in the bag. Right here. Of course. I don't know, I'll probably give it away because I don't know. I'll think about it. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you guys think of this box, and sorry, I spaced out. Let me know what you guys think about this box. Is it a really good starter box? And if you know someone that has FabFitFun, let them know to give you guys a code so you guys can try it for $6.95. You just pay shipping and you get 4 products. And yeah, so let me know if you guys have FabFitFun. I can't talk. FabFitFun. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and let me know down in the comments below if you guys have it and if you guys like it, if it's a good deal. $50 every season, different, I guess, every 3 months, I guess. But yeah, let me know. So I'll let you guys I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.